guys, how's it going? In this video, I just would like to show you how you can assign a static IP address to your Windows PC. And it's fairly straightforward. You guys have your reasons as to why you want to do this, so without further ado, let's get going. Okay, now first thing you would want to do is go to the Windows icon right here. Go to Settings. Go to Network and Internet. And go to Advanced Network Settings, I'm sorry. All the way at the bottom. And go to your Wi-Fi adapter. This one's mine. Or network adapter. And go down to more adapter options. And that will bring you to here. Just go down to here, Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and that's where we're going to set it. By default, you'll automatically obtain the IP address from the router's DHCP server, but we're going to set our own IP address, and when that does that, our network adapter totally ignores the DHCP server on the router. So, and you can type in your IP address. It usually goes by this scheme, 192.168.1, and then at the end is the number that you want. But make sure that it's in between 0 and 255, I believe. Yeah, because it's within this subnet. So, yeah, and once you type all that in, this will automatically be generated. And just type in the default gateway. This is basically the IP address of your router. And you can type in which DNS server you would like to use. I'm using Google, so just type in this IP address, 8888, and just click OK. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully assigned a static IP address, a non-changing IP address, to your PC. And it's as simple as that, guys. I mean, if you have any comments, questions, or whatever, be sure to ask them. Don't be shy. Yeah, 'tis the season.